Hey guys, welcome back to my channel DIY with Prabh. So in today's video I will show you these two types of easy and cute border designs. So let's get started. First, take a scale and a blue marker and draw lines on the corners of the sheet with a gap of 3 cm from the edges. Then draw another line with a gap of 2.5 cm from the line which we drawed earlier. Then take a red marker and draw a bow tie as shown. After that, take red coloring pen and color the whole bow. Then take black marker and outline the bow like this. Due to this step, it gives the 3D effect to bow and the border looks nice. After that, take pencil and draw small circles in the center of the blue boundary and color the circles with red coloring pen. At last, outline the circles with black marker for 3D effect that I told you earlier. And here's our first border design is ready. For second border design, take a bangle and outline the circle with the help of bangle using yellow marker. After that, draw eyes, nose and mouth with the help of black marker. And make tongue with the help of red marker. Then take blue marker and draw a curvy shape and make open circle like this. You have to draw this design only at two sides. At last, color the emoji using yellow coloring pen. And here's our second border design is also ready. I hope that you enjoy my video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.